Getting rid of this washing line because it's in the way as well as anything else, and just putting up a foldable one on this area here. So we're going to replace the whole thing eventually anyway, but let's spruce it up. Let's get rid of some of that rust, and then we'll paint it the colour that we're going to do all the trimming of the house. Yeah, so let's get this started. I've got all my stuff ready. Let's go. Well, that was a quick and easy process. There wasn't too much rust on there as a whole, and about in 24 hours we'll see it blacken if it's worked. If it hasn't, I'll have to do another coat and then wait another 24 hours and then I can paint. Part 2 of the plumbing. What you doing, babe?
Put in a barrier here to stop the clay getting into the gravel that I'm going to put in here. And then I'm going to put some drain pipes in, make it sort of a French drain, make it all neat and tidy.
So this is going to the bathroom, to and from the bathroom from the tank.
Yeah, and we've got mains, they've got the
our mains,
irrigation line going in too.
Yeah, so our mains water is there, and we've set up another tap.
I just see another leak.
So this has been a battle over the last few days. Part 2 of our plumbing exhibition. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's been a battle. This morning, especially. Honest.
Plumbing progress. So sink, bath, hot and cold. That will eventually go to a shower. Just got to take the bath out. And that bit there, which is blocked off, is going to be coming from the roof. There will be a pipe coming down. And other bits and pieces are going to go on, but you'll just have to wait and see. As there is a drop in the wind, I'm going to attempt to gurney. It's been horrendously windy the last couple of days, up to 58 k's an hour. But I need to get that wall behind me that the tank is sitting on gurneyed ASAP. You'll know why shortly. Hopefully in this video you'll know why. So it needs to be done. So as there's a gap in the wind, I will give it a go. I'm going to put you on time lapse, but you might fall over. So I apologise now if you do. But let's get this show on the road. it's getting way too windy to film. You keep falling over. So I'm going to gurney the inside walls there, and then you fell over when I started gurneying in here, so let me take you around the other side. I finished this. I don't even know if it's any better. I've done in there as far as I can go, and I'm just finishing this wall here, so you can see where I started gurneying, and I've got to do the rest of that down there. I will show you after I finished. It's just too windy. Oh, and that's all the plumbing that James did. Very nice. It was all overgrown and muddy and overgrown and yuck, and the same within here. That underneath the tank was completely overgrown. We think they used it as a compost bin. The soil is wonderful. We'll use it in the garden, but that is so much nicer now. And you'll see the new tap there and our hose hanger there. So this is coming up really nicely now, and no more leaking. So hopefully we won't have any more rotting boards. Alright, I am finished. I am very wet, very dirty, very cold, and very windy. First time I've actually gurneyed in the cold, and oh no, there's a reason why. And the wind is just horrendous. I don't know whether you can see, but I'm just a mess. But let me show you the result. I don't know if you can see a difference from before. It's now wet, muddy slush in there, but yes, these walls were growing, so at least all the greenery is now gone. And when it's all dried out and the wind finally buggers off, I will come back and spray paint this. I'm not going to hand paint. I've got a spray painter, so why not use the spray gun? And it'll be easier to get in all the nooks and crannies too, because this is very old concreting. You can see all the rocks in it. And this wall was the worst. This was growing. I swear it was going to sprout legs and walk. And all the yellow flecks are the paint from the house. As I was hosing down the house, paint blew off, so I might have to gurney the house one day. Not today, that'll be another day. Alright, it'll probably be a few more days before I get around to spray painting. I'm going to spray paint this at the same time as spray painting that corrugated iron there, but I need to wait for it to stop being windy. James is up on the roof, bolting down all the colorbond on the roof. We're flapping, and obviously in these high winds we don't want them to go away. So he's up there doing that. Morning everyone. Today's job was going to be to paint that concrete wall behind me and that corrugated iron there. However, I won't be doing it anymore. James will be doing it because Clever Clogs Me sprained her ankle yesterday and can't stand on it very long, so yes, it is killing me to stand here to talk to you right now. So James will do it. I'm going to put you on time lapse and yeah, let's see what he's going to be doing. But first of all, I'll show you what we're doing it with. So we'll be priming it first, and we'll spray it on using this sprayer. And then we'll finish it off with a couple of coats of this.
I don't think we need to prime this at all. I don't need to water this down at all.
Is there any colour in it whatsoever? It just
No.
looks like water.
No,
Oh, is that one of those
that's sticky
sticky, like,
preparation things.
mm,
So we'll probably put it straight in.
awesome.
Definitely running enough. I have to get a rag. Something wrong?
Really noisy.
Not playing that very well. Nearly out already. Need some more. We inherited this.
bit windy. Geofabric is down in our irrigation trench all the way down, and now it's time to fill it in.
I'm thinking that, and then put the rope around the existing one for now. Get the
Take it off first and then just slide the other one straight into place.
Well, that's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be.
Nah, they're pretty good. Now this one.
Just put it on the right way around.
Yeah. And then the holes there. Oh yeah. You've got that outlet. Push it over. Yeah. The outlet's right there. Looks like
It's got not done before anyway. Oh, good. Down in the bottom.
yeah, I see that.
You've got one against the house.
I've done the same for that one, so good. You've got some options. It's good that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll get you the pump.
So here are our new tanks, and this is why we've been prepping the area for the last couple of days. That silver one is going to go to the sheds, and the blue one on the ground will replace that. But we are waiting for a plumber. It apparently will be several weeks. But I think that's going to look dead sexy. Never thought I'd get excited about tanks, but I think that's going to look pretty damn good.